Could the sinoatrial node, the pacemaker of the heart, be the actual spiritual heart that wisdom traditions talk about? I'm Dr. Kat Lewis, and I like to explore the fascinating connection between science, spirituality, the nature of reality, and your health. If that sounds interesting to you, then please like and follow me. So the spiritual heart is known as the seat of the soul, or the I am consciousness, or the Christ consciousness. It's the point where we access the divine plane. Some scientists and physicists believe that this could be a point of singularity, and a point of singularity is a point in where all space and all time converge. You've brought your level of awareness to that point, you're beyond space and time. So space and time is manifesting out of that point. So when you're experiencing that point, there's no time and there's no place, it's just the one, then you only experience white light. It's just one thing, you are it, and it is everywhere, and it's this unbroken white light. Now, a lot of people, when they have near-death experiences, they might say they see a white light. This is different, because if they're seeing the white light, it's outside of them. But you've brought your level of awareness to this point, you experience yourself as the white light. But as soon as you have a thought like, oh wow, because that's what happened to me. I had this thought like, wow, because I was experiencing myself as white light and I was everywhere. But as soon as I realized that that's what I was experiencing, I popped out of it. Because in the state of being the one, God, right, or the absolute, there's no experiencer there. As soon as you have an experience, that is an awareness experiencing something else. So that's duality. So you have two things. So that means the white light goes away. So the sinoatrial node, what it does is it initiates an action potential. It sends an electrical signal that then starts the action of the pumping of the heart. What's really interesting about this is that that signal contains information, right? So it's that electrical signal that sends out the information for the patterning of what the child will be. So the morphogenetic fields, or the pattern of us, the electrical signals of us, is templated on these currents that are coming from the heart. And they're strong enough that they can go into the tissues and into the cells and the cellular membranes and into the nucleus, and traveling along the microtubules and setting that up for biophoton production, and then traveling and activating DNA. So it's really like an electrical animation. It's really fascinating, isn't it? Apparently it's similar to the pineal gland in the brain, and that's also thought to be another point of singularity in the brain. So these glands are like the physiological correlates for these centers, these energy centers within the body. What numerous groups are starting to understand is that we are really a pattern of electrical signals, and then the physical body is just a physical correlate of these electrical signals. So there's fascinating research that's going on right now. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about how another researcher at Tufts University is taking these electrical patterns, and the idea is that he's going to be able to use them. His ultimate goal would be able to, like, you sit down at a computer and you basically say, I need this tissue or I need this limb, and you regenerate it with these electric patterns. Tell me what you think of this. If you like this content, please like, share so others can benefit, and follow me for more information.